Do you know what type of drive allows a sports car to fit perfectly into a turn on the highway? The answer is not the one you think it is. Have you ever wondered why, in the same winter situation, one car confidently starts downhill while the other skids in place despite the identical tires? And the most important question is it possible to buy one car that will be as good for city trips as for light off-road driving? The answer is yes, and now we'll figure it all out. Let's start with the world's most popular front-wheel drive, FWD, a design where the engine rotates the front wheels and the rear wheels just roll after. His strengths are cost-effectiveness, fewer parts, lower weight, lower fuel consumption, and lower production cost. Space, the absence of a drive shaft and gearbox at the rear frees up space in the cabin, making it more spacious. Excellent directional stability on straight and wet roads. The front wheels pull the car. Passability, on a slippery climb, the weight of the engine puts pressure on the drive wheels, improving their grip. But there are also disadvantages. Vibrations on the steering wheel. Due to the fact that the front wheels are both pulling and turning, you can feel the reaction from the engine on the steering wheel during acceleration. A tendency to understeer. If you enter a turn too quickly, the car may not fit in and go straight ahead. Less uniform weight distribution, which may affect acceleration dynamics. And now, it's a classic for many automakers. Rear-wheel drive. Here, the engine pushes the car from behind, and the front wheels are responsible only for cornering. Its advantages: perfect balance in weight distribution. Such a car responds more sensitively to steering. Acceleration dynamics. When starting from a standstill, the weight is transferred to the rear axle, reducing slippage. No vibration on the steering wheel. However, there are also disadvantages. Passability on a slippery climb. The unloaded rear wheels will slip. We need experience and accuracy. Tendency to oversteer. If there is a mistake in turning, the rear axle may slip and the car will turn around. This requires the driver to be collected and react quickly. Usually, the price is higher and the fuel consumption is slightly higher due to the more complex design. And finally, the pinnacle of versatility and confidence is all-wheel drive. The power is transmitted to all four wheels simultaneously. Why is he so loved? The grip is phenomenal, the best place to start on any surface. Increased cross-country ability and safety. Heavy rain, snowfall, ice. An all-wheel drive car feels more confident than anyone else. High directional stability and high-speed cornering grip. But you have to pay for confidence. The highest cost of the car, both when buying and in maintenance and repair. The highest fuel consumption due to increased weight and mechanical losses. More weight,